Okay guys, hopefully you've seen several that you like. Next we're going to do this FR3. It's considered a Class A motorhome, right? Beautiful thing about it is it's a little bit smaller than most of them. It is gas, it's got the V8 chassis, 7.3 liter. But the really beautiful thing about it is it's just a lot smaller footprint than the normal big Class C's that you see. And it's again in the gas range, but again just a little bit smaller. But when you go inside, you won't be able to tell that. I mean, it's really quite huge, and for motorhomes especially is a great reason for you to buy from RV Wholesalers. Our nationwide service network is you want to take this thing, go see the country. Even if you go across Canada, we've got service centers all across the United States, all across Canada, where we can get you taken care of. So don't overlook service when you go to buy. Not only that, this thing is well below cost right now. It's one of our holdovers. We have new ones coming in. We need to get rid of it. So you can take great advantage of it today. Price is literally below invoice. I think you'll be quite shocked, honestly, where the price is. You want to show us around the outside real quick?
Yeah, absolutely. So, David, just like you said, it's a 2023. You're at 31 feet, 11 inches. And just like he had mentioned, with it being on the smaller frame, you have 19.5-inch tires, so you're not paying for the full semi tires if you do have a blowout. Lots of big passenger storage on this camper. Nice and easy to get through with all your water storage, low point drain and everything. Outside TV there up by the door. And again, just lots of big passenger storage all the way through on this camper. I'm 6'2", nice and easy to get underneath the slide. I'd definitely put a pool noodle there so you don't not hit your noggin. But again, lots of storage all the way through this camper. Awesome paint job with the white, keeping it nice and clean. Backup camera on the rear, and of course turn signal cameras on each side, and even more storage all the way around the camper. Does have a hitch on the back with a 4-way and 7-way pin. So that way you can do a little bit of towing. Tows about 5,000 pounds. LED turn signals and stoplights. So great camper, great outside. Of course, like David had said, even though it's on the 31-foot chassis, 19.5-inch tires, you're going to get a little bit better fuel mileage than the big ones. But with it being on a smaller chassis, there's a lot of size, space on the inside. Let's go check it out. As soon as you come in here, of course, you have your nice big cab inside of here. You do have a rear view mirror. There is a window back there so you can see directly out the back of the cab. His captain's chairs that rotate 180 degrees. Nice Ford chassis, easy to use. And say you are sitting in the passenger side, you do have a nice little table here you can rotate around so you can co-pilot nice and easy. And of course, if you have a guest that comes with you, a bed directly over the cab of the camper with a little bit of storage back there. Nice and easy to use while you're camping. Even has a safety net, so once you put your kiddos up there, they're not going to fall out. Of course, you can't drive with this down. You saw me, I had to turn the key on just to acknowledge that the camper's in park. It's parked and it's not going to go anywhere. Just to put that down. Directly behind that, theater seating in this specific unit. You can swap that out if you order one to get a nice couch here so that we can expand it out, have even more seating. But theater seating in this specific unit. And directly beside that, nice big U-shaped dinette. And of course, it does turn into a bed as well. You see the nice cushion that comes with it, so you're not removing that back cushion back there. Get a nice cushion all the way around. Directly across from that, your kitchen. Nice big TV directly across from your theater seating. Lots of countertop space. And speaking of your countertop space, nice expandable countertop. Lifts right up. Nice cabinetry directly below. Even more cabinetry all the way through. And look, even more countertop space hidden away in there. So they definitely took care of you. Nice big oven inside of here for all your tomato soup and grilled cheese needs. Excuse me. Convection microwave. This specific unit has the dual gas and electric refrigerator, dual swing, French door gas and electric refrigerator, and of course, even more storage beside that. As you move back through the camper, you will pass through the bathroom. The shower's on your right hand side here. Triple glass sliding door. Make sure it's unlocked so you can close it. But nice glass door there. And if you do want privacy here, I'm going to shut the cameraman out for a second. Shut that away. Or if you just want to keep that open and shut just the bedroom door, you can do that as well. And you also get a nice look at the throne room by doing that on my left, or your right, my left. Moving on back into the master bedroom, king size bed here. I don't believe there's storage underneath. Let's check. There is not, but king size bed, nice little end tables, chargers on each side, 110 and USB chargers, and of course a little bit of storage above that. Directly across from there, you do have even more hanging size storage on each side. Nice little TV in the middle, and of course on this one, combo washer and dryer, so that way you could do your laundry on the go. Even more storage below that for all your linens, underwear, pants, all that fun stuff. Basically a home on wheels. Everything you'd want in a nice big Class A motorhome that's typically 50 feet. This one's only 32 feet. Awesome price. It's 2023 holdover. Give us a call. We'll definitely get you in so you can get camping.